Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is what happens when you put a chip bag into a microwave. As you can see, it got all melted and teeny tiny and even made a mini fire, so please be careful if you try something like this. And the video isn't ending here because this is what happens when you put an even bigger chip bag into a microwave. As you can see, it melted just like the other chip bag, but here's a comparison of how small it got. On the left is before I put the chip bag in the microwave, and on the right is after I put the chip bag in the microwave. The other cool thing about it is you can still see the details of the bag, like the Doritos logo and a bit of the Flamas font, and on the bag you can still see the nutritional facts. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out. Subscribe for more of this type of content. Leave a comment down below of what you would like to see me do or what you would like to see me put in the microwave. I try to reply to every single comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.